Alrighty, little update. Here is our project as it was to be. And of course, if you watch the update on the video, you know that there is a problem that UWP is presenting. And that is when we rearrange these items, sometimes they lose all child items. Right now it's not doing it. Hold on. There he goes. Normally it is odd because it's when you sort from the bottom to the top, or when you sort something to the top or something to the bottom. And they will reappear as you sort with the up and down. Very strange. Possibly because we're removing and adding back. I don't know. I'm still going to try to fix it, but it has caused a change in the way this tutorial is going to go. How it's going to happen now is I am doing a tutorial on the controls we're going to use in the final vector graphics project for WPF, UWP, and WindowsAppSDK. I have 2 more controls to go with the WPF, and I'm about to push out 6 of the videos for the WPF. There are 6 more. I kept most of them close to 10 minutes. There's 6 more to go after that. Finish the WPF. The UWP will be much faster, and so will the WindowsAppSDK, because I will not be redoing the class code where it doesn't need to be redone. You'll be able to use one version of the class. And that basically is so you can just pick the environment you want to follow along the tutorial in as we get into the vector graphics side of it and to the binding. It will teach you the same binding in each version, same updating, the same buttons disabling and re-abling through the I command. This is using a value converter, so it goes over the same basic stuff. And I will probably be doing the tutorial on either WPF or WindowsAppSDK. If I do it in the UWP, I'm going to go back to the vector, to the Windows form version that I showed before, which has list views. And basically, when you add something to the list view, then its children appear in another list view where in other words, there's not a tree view splitting everything up. There's a list view. Each level appears in its own list view because there are only 3 levels. And in that way, we can, that'll avoid the problem in UWP. So that's the objective. That's the update. This is the WPF version. The classes in this version, the I command, the I value converter, the I notify property change, the view model in general will be the same, other than the namespace in between the different versions. Except the UWP, if we do the list view in both of them, then that would require a selected index. Just an update. Enjoy the tutorial. If you get something out of it, do like and subscribe. God bless, and I'll see you in the first video.